Welcome to the part 2 of this amazing Flappy Bird tutorial. So this will be like a very short tutorial. So first we will save we will make a copy of this name we created. So it will be like file, save as copy. Now it will first copy the project. Now we will change it to part 2. And why we are doing this is because if we do any mistake, we'll be able to go to the previous project and fix that. It would be easier. As I told you, it is a very small tutorial. In this, I'll just tell you to copy paste some things. So be with me. So first we'll go to normal Scratch website. Here you will search my account name, which is Akshan, main account name, which is Akshan Mahajan. Then you will go to the then you will press my name at the bottom of any project. You will be you will be teleported to my project page. Here you will press view on all the projects. So as you see, I have created many projects, but the one which we want is this numbers project I created. I think I would be linking this in the description so it would be easier for you. Okay, we'll see inside, and this will in the backpack we'll put the score sprite. So as you see here, I have put the sprite called score. And then we will go to our normal page and open our backpack. The score sprite should come. We'll just drag and drop it here. So I think so we did a mistake. So we'll have to delete this score sprite and delete this score variable which came with the score sprite. So I have to tell you, we made the variable with the score with capital S. There came a variable with a small s. Delete that one. And the capital S one, will rename that to small s one. Sorry for this inconvenience. I'm sorry. So in the backpack, we'll put the sprite of score again. Now we will not show the score variable, and it is done. So as I told you, it was a very small one. So what I wanted to show you was this score system. It is good, and you can actually import it to any project you want. So bye. We'll save it and bye. No, seriously.